Good morning. My name is Senzo Meyiwa, brother of the late Senzo Meyiwa. Hey, I'm very disappointed here by what the SAPS is doing. Last week on the 24th of September, I heard some rumors that Warrant Officer Makubo was receiving threats from Brigadier Kininda. Brigadier Kininda is the one who is investigating my brother's case, a murder case 636 of 10/2014. And Warrant Officer Makubo is the one who is investigating the second docket, case 375, which is defeating the ends of justice. I then called Makubo and asked him about this. He confirmed that he received a call. He received a call from General Kadwa. General Kadwa is the head of Hawks in Gauteng. Kadwa said he was informed by Brigadier Kininda to tell Makuba that he must withdraw from case 375. Makuba is the one who is a complainant on that docket, and that surprised me. And then I decided to call the Minister of Police, General Cele, Minister Cele, and then I called General Libya. I called National Commissioner. National Commissioner responded and they said that he was going to call Kininda and Makubo, but the other two, they didn't respond. And then I decided to send them messages. And then General Pogani, who is the secretary of the minister, she responded and said they are going to deal with this matter. But when I called Makuba yesterday, today is the 5th, I called him on the 4th, he said no one has called him about this matter. And I'm very disappointed. And Makubo's life is in danger, because this docket has got evidence that Kininda stole a docket, he stole a statement from this docket. And Makubo is the one who's got evidence which can prove that Zungu is lying in court.